This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You should start with 2 safeguards, a backup and a child theme. This prevents updates from erasing changes. Next, open your browser inspector to locate the exact selector and live test visual tweaks. Once done, log into WordPress and navigate to Appearance right arrow Customize right arrow Additional CSS. Paste small rules there to verify effects. Make sure to use clear selectors and save revisions incrementally, because testing in additional CSS is reversible and safe for first actionable edits. Now implement the changes in your child theme so they persist. If comfortable, edit style. CSS via FTP or the theme editor. Alternatively, create a custom plugin or enqueue a stylesheet in functions. PHP to control load order. When writing rules, prefer higher specificity over. Important because that preserves maintainability. Also add media queries for different viewports. As you work, test each change in the inspector, save, and reload. This step ensures your edits apply in the correct cascade and don't break layout elsewhere. Finish by clearing browser and server caches and reloading pages to see final effects. Use versioning file v=1, 2, so browsers fetch the latest CSS. Then test across devices and screen sizes and only minify or concatenate after confirming behavior. If something goes wrong, first check the developer console for syntax errors, then verify the stylesheet is enqueued and not overridden by a more specific rule. One key troubleshooting tip: disable caching and recheck specificity. Most issues are
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.